especially to our instructor, Mr. Jomel A. Acabado. I am Shirley Spedido Galientes from Bachelor of Science in Criminology 2 Alpha, and this is Miss Justine Ashley M. Nisola from Bachelor of Science in Criminology 1 Bravo. The basic rule of plain and rolled impression of the fingerprint is thumbs in and fingers out. So, ang kasunod natin gagawin is ipapapill up natin yung fingerprint card. So, first, ano pong apelyido?
Nisola.
First name po?
Justine Ashley.
Middle name po?
Merino.
Birthday niyo po?
August 31, 2005.
Saan po kayo pinanganak?
Lucena City.
Ano pong security number niyo po?
0224-0170.
Female. Race. Filipino. Ano pong height?
5.
Timbang po is?
52.
Eyes brown. Hair black. Saan po kayo ngayon, residence of the person fingerprinted? Saan po kayo nakatira ngayon?
Barangay Danlagan Reserva, Guingaon, Quezon.
Danlagan Reserva, Guingaon, Quezon. Ano kasi? So, next is kukunin natin siya ng fingerprint. So, next is kukunin natin yung fingerprint ni Miss Nisola. So, first is right thumb. Next is right index. Next is right middle. Ito pala. Next is right ring. Next is right little. So next is the left thumb. Next is left index. Next is left middle. Left ring. And then left little. So the next is 4 left finger taken simultaneously. Then press natin. Itong kasunod. Next is right. And then yung parehas na left and right. Okay na po. So, tapos na.